Today, we're taking a deep dive into the heart of Scandinavia, exploring the charming city of Malmö, Sweden. Known for its blend of historic charm and modern innovation, Malmö offers something for everyone, from architectural marvels to serene parks and vibrant cultural scenes. This city promises an unforgettable Nordic adventure. So, buckle up as we unveil 12 incredible experiences that will make you fall in love with Malmö. All right, let's kick things off with an architectural masterpiece that quite literally towers over Malmö's skyline, the Turning Torso. This stunning skyscraper, twisting gracefully towards the heavens, is impossible to miss. Inspired by a sculpture, the Turning Torso isn't just a pretty face. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of Malmö's forward-thinking spirit. As you gaze up at its twisting form, take a moment to appreciate the intricate design and the sheer audacity of its construction. It's a sight that will stay with you. Next up, we're stepping back in time to Malmö Castle, a majestic fortress steeped in history. Built in the 16th century, this castle has witnessed centuries of change, serving as a royal residence, a prison, and even a brewery at different points in time. Today, Malmö Castle houses several museums, offering a fascinating glimpse into the city's rich past. You can explore the castle's chambers, learn about its intriguing history, and even catch a glimpse of Renaissance art. Now, it's time to escape the urban hustle and find some tranquility in Kungsparken, Malmö's oldest park. This green oasis, right in the heart of the city, is the perfect place to relax, recharge, and soak up some nature. Stroll along the winding paths, admire the colorful flower beds, or simply relax by the picturesque canals. Kungsparken also offers plenty of activities, from paddle boating to open-air concerts during the summer months. Malmö City Library, where knowledge meets design. For all you bookworms out there, a visit to the Malmö City Library is an absolute must. But even if you're not a die-hard reader, this architectural gem is worth checking out. The library's stunning design, a blend of old and new, is a sight to behold. The modern wing, known as the Calendar of Light, is particularly impressive, with its glass facade and abundance of natural light. Lilla Torg, the heart of Malmö's culinary scene. Feeling peckish? Then head over to Lilla Torg, Malmö's charming market square and a foodie's paradise. This bustling square is lined with restaurants, cafes, and bars, offering a diverse range of culinary delights. Whether you're craving traditional Swedish fare, international cuisine, or just a quick coffee and pastry, you'll find it all here. Grab a seat at one of the outdoor terraces, soak up the lively atmosphere, and enjoy a delicious meal. Ribersborg Beach, sun, sand, and Swedish charm. Believe it or not, you can find a beach in Malmö. Ribersborg Beach, also known as Ribban, is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike, especially during the summer months. Take a refreshing dip in the Øresund Strait, work on your tan on the sandy beach, or enjoy a leisurely stroll along the promenade. Ribersborg Beach offers stunning views of the Turning Torso and the Øresund Bridge, connecting Sweden to Denmark. Moderna Museet Malmö, a celebration of contemporary art. Art enthusiasts, get ready to be inspired at Moderna Museet Malmö, one of Europe's leading contemporary art museums. Housed in a former electricity plant, the museum boasts a striking contrast between its industrial exterior and the cutting-edge art within. Explore thought-provoking exhibitions, discover emerging artists, and immerse yourself in the world of contemporary art. The museum also features a sculpture park, offering a serene escape from the city buzz. Folkets Park, fun for the whole family. Traveling with family? Then a visit to Folkets Park is a must. This beloved amusement park has been entertaining families for over a century. offering a delightful mix of rides, games, and attractions. From thrilling roller coasters to gentle carousels, there's something for everyone at Folkets Park. You'll also find playgrounds, mini golf, and even a petting zoo, making it the perfect destination for a fun-filled family day out. Malmö Live, where music and culture collide. Get ready for a night of entertainment at Malmö Live, the city's vibrant cultural hub. This architectural marvel, with its sleek design and state-of-the-art facilities, hosts a diverse range of events, from concerts and musicals to theater performances and art exhibitions. Whether you're a classical music enthusiast, a jazz lover, or a theater buff, you're sure to find something to your taste at Malmö Live. Check out their website for upcoming events and prepare to be entertained. For a moment of reflection and a glimpse into Malmö's spiritual side, pay a visit to St. Peter's Church. This majestic brick church, dating back to the 14th century, is one of the oldest buildings in Malmö and a testament to the city's enduring faith. Step inside to admire its soaring arches, intricate stained glass windows, and the impressive astronomical clock, a marvel of medieval engineering. Calling all shopaholics. Emporia, one of Scandinavia's largest shopping malls, is a shopper's paradise. With over 200 stores, from high street brands to luxury boutiques, you're sure to find whatever your heart desires. But Emporia is more than just a shopping mall. Its stunning architecture, featuring a green rooftop terrace and a unique double-curved glass facade, makes it a destination in itself. Finally, no trip to Malmö is complete without experiencing the city from the water. Hop on a canal tour and embark on a scenic journey through Malmö's canals, discovering hidden gems and admiring the city from a unique perspective. Glide past charming houses, under picturesque bridges, and enjoy breathtaking views of Malmö's landmarks. It's the perfect way to relax, soak up the city's beauty, and create lasting memories. So, there you have it, guys. 12 incredible experiences that showcase the magic of Malmö, Sweden. From its architectural wonders and historical treasures to its vibrant cultural scene and natural beauty, Malmö truly has something for everyone. I hope this video inspires you to add Malmö to your travel bucket list. And remember, the best way to experience a city is to get lost in its streets, embrace the local culture, and create your own unforgettable adventures.